So hello guys, welcome to our channel T for Tech. Today I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress with Namecheap domain. So this is super easy, super fast. What you can do is simply follow my steps and without wasting your time, let's get started. So guys, the first step, what you can do is simply open your browser and search for namecheap.com. You can see this official link of this namecheap.com site. Just click on it, or you can simply open link in new tab. So you will see this page, the official page for namecheap.com site, and I hope that you already purchased your Namecheap account domain, and just sign in, and you can see this account option from here, and you can click on this dashboard button. From here also you can see this dashboard button from here. Just simply click on it. This will open the dashboard, Namecheap dashboard for you. And what you can see this, I have 3 domain over here, and I already installed shop-based and already installed WordPress on shop-based and restaurant. And now the third domain, the colors-world.site, I will show you how you can install WordPress on this domain. So what you can do is you can find this option, the colors-world.site, 3 option from here. Just simply click on first the middle option, which is and when I hover it, it will get me Stellar. It will show me 2 options, manage or go to cPanel. So just click on go to cPanel. So as you can see, this page is loaded, and cPanel, you can see your site cPanel. And what you can do is you can simply find Softculous app installer. You can find from here. Also you can find from this bottom, has also present here. So just click on this app installer button, and you can find this so many options, Laravel, PHP, so many apps over here. What I would like to install WordPress, so I will just click on it. So there is a WordPress version 5.5, 5.25. there are lots of version over here. Release date you have also mentioned, so you can read about WordPress from here. But I have to install it. So what you can do is also you can see this current installation. I have 2 domains. I already told you that I installed WordPress on them. So just install now. You can see this install now button. Click on it. When you click on it, go to the bottom, and this is theme, the default theme. When you first install your WordPress, it will come by as a default. So, and this is a version 5.5 HTTP. Yeah, this shows us that your site address, and also your site name. You can change it later. Just simply install this WordPress on your site. So click on this install button and this will install it. Just wait for it. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Okay, so here's your administrator URL. Just open this link in new tab. Congratulations, this is your dashboard, your WordPress dashboard, your site, this careerworld.site WordPress admin, and this will, and you can install, you can install it. You install completely successfully install it, and you can also check it from here. Return to overview. As you can see, recently installed. I recently installed my WordPress with my third domain. As a version showing it today, the time 10:28 a.m. is my time, and I install it. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. What you can do is you can like this video, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe our channel. I will see you in next video. So by that time, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you for watching.